Hey there, welcome back to our Figma tutorial series. In this video, we will cover some essential steps to get you all set up before you dive into designing. We'll walk through creating a new project, setting up pages, using the region tool, and configuring layout grid. Let's jump right in. First, let's create a new project. Head to the left-hand panel and click All Project. In this section, select the new project and give your project a name. Then click Continue. You'll have the option to add collaborators by entering their names or emails. But for now, click Create Project. Inside your new project, click the Create New button in the top right corner and select Design File to open a blank canvas. To keep things organized, click on the default file name in the top left-hand panel and rename it to something relevant to your design. Now, you're ready to start creating. Let's talk about pages in Figma. Think of them as separate sections or chapters within your design file. They help you organize and keep related designs together, which is especially useful for complex projects with multiple screens or features. Each page can hold different frames and components, making it much easier to manage and navigate your project. To create a new page, look for the plus icon at the Pages panel. Click it and a new page will appear. You can rename the page by double-click on the page name and rename it to something descriptive, like wireframe or visual design. This helps keep your project organized. Next up is the region tool. This handy tool helps you create frames, which are like containers for your design elements. Frames define the size and boundaries of your screens or components, making it super easy to organize and structure your design. The region tool also includes section, which helps group your designs by allowing you to organize related frames or components together. And slice, which allow you to export specific areas of your design. These tools give you even more control over how you structure and export your work. To create a frame, simply select the Frame tool from toolbar or press the F key. Click and drag on a canvas to draw your frame. If you want a head start, you can also choose from the preset device sizes in the right sidebar, like mobile or desktop. Let's delete the frame we created earlier. And now, we can select a mobile screen from the preset to kick off our design. Layout grids are design tools in Figma that help you align and organize elements on your canvas. They act as invisible guides to ensure consistency in spacing, alignment, and overall structure, making your design look clean, balanced, and professional. To set up a layout grid, start by selecting a frame and navigating to the right sidebar. Click the plus icon in the layout grid section to add a grid. Click on the layout grid settings and switch grid to columns. Now let's fine-tune the layout by setting the count to 4, adjusting the margin to 16, and setting the gutter to 16. These settings will make it easier to align elements and keep your design consistent. And that's it, a simple setup before designing in Figma. By organizing pages, using the region tool, and setting up layout grid, you're ready to start your design project. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll explore designing in Figma. Thanks for watching and see you next time.